Hello, and today I'm at London Blackfriars station, located on the Thameslink core. Starting out now with 700,052, that was on the 11:37 Thameslink service bound for Sutton from Kentish Town. Starting out now with 700,106, bound for Peterborough from Horsham. Is it what's there? Before we get bold, 700,012 is also sitting there on platform whatever, with a later service bound for Sevenoaks Bromley South. 700,130 is arriving in now. This is with a service going from, I think it's Cambridge to Brighton.
Whilst on the platform, please remain behind the yellow line, as this is there for your safety and the safety of others. Thank you. Thank you for wearing face covering, additional items, and for safety distancing required. Help with us to help you travel confidence. Please ensure you check for
Yes, Blackfriars easily gains the record for the London station with the best views. Look at that, you got beautiful views of the city over there, with a bunch of skyscrapers I don't know the name of. There's a walkie-talkie. Over there you got St Paul's Cathedral, that's right by City Thameslink station. The City Thameslink and Blackfriars are right next to each other. There's the Tate Gallery. Beyond there is the Shakespeare Globe Theatre, and also beyond there, just about in the distance, I'm not sure if I move over here you might be able to see it better, is one of the arms of Tower Bridge, and also of course Canary Wharf is in the distance as well. 700,130 is ready to depart now as I rant on. With next stop being at London Bridge. I just saw one lady run for the tube this way, and then realised that the tube exit was all the way over there, right at the other end of the station. When we did Tube Challenge, we totally fell for that. Arriving at now is 700,109. This is with the 11:42 service to West Hampstead Thameslink from Brighton. Also bound for check station screens. Not too sure where that is, as a barge goes along the River Thames. Arriving now is the 11:44 Thameslink service going from West Hampstead Thameslink to Gatwick Airport. This is going to be operated by 700,101. See 700 spots behind me. Also, some people are a bit desperate to go to the beach, aren't they? They're sort of congregating on the side of the River Thames. I mean, if you live in London, it's a pretty good idea, but I wouldn't imagine myself just sitting on the banks of the River Thames just to tend to go to. I mean, we are allowed to travel now, so I guess it is quite nice. It is quite nice. Right, departing out now is the 11:44 Thameslink service going from West Hampstead Thameslink to Gatwick Airport. This one calls next at London Bridge. Followed by Norwood Junction, East Croydon, Purley, Red Hill, Earlswood, Salford, Horley and Gatwick Airport. Will it arrive at 12:39. As that one heads off 700-101. Also 700-012 should be very shortly parting out with a 11:46 service bound 478, so we'll catch that one when it goes out. Parting out now is the 11:46 Thameslink service bound for Sevenoaks via Bromley South. That is a really nice view there. I really love the colour grading on that. It's just such a brilliant station with such brilliant trains, and of course with my new camera everything is looking brilliant. So Elephant Castle, Denmark Hill, Peckham, Ryan on Head, Crofton Park, Catford, Barlingham, Beckenham Hill, Ravensbourne, Shortlands, Bromley South, Bickley, St Mary Cray, Swanley, Ainsford, Shoreham, Otford, Battenball and Sevenoaks. So you've got a slightly better view of the London surroundings now. I've moved up the platform a little bit. You can see the Shard now. You can see the left hand side of Tower Bridge as well, as a Thames rocket, whatever that is, goes under me. Must be a faster version of the Thames Clippers. I'd quite like to go on one of those. Well, I've seen Uber boats bought Thames Clippers, so you've just got Uber boats going around the Thames now. I'll see if I can catch one. Right, 700-127 is arriving in now with a service bound for Cambridge from Brighton. Very lovely there. 700-127. Parting out now is the 11:52 Thameslink service bound for Cambridge. This will be from Brighton. As also arriving in now, we have yet another Thameslink service. This is the 11:54 service to Horsham from Peterborough. It's going to be operated by 700-124. And as this train comes in, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. I really do hope you've enjoyed. If you did, then please do click the like button down below, and if you're new and you enjoy my content, then do please consider subscribing. And I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.